Possible lang hot choco, no? Hot chocolate, possible. Dalawa. Kinards ko na. Oo. Kamusta ka dyan? Happy New Year! It's okay. Walang tubig kasi walang naliligo. Sobrang lamig.
16 plus. 16 plus? 16 plus. That's what's missing. Wait, what is this?
Ito ang lamig dito. Lahat nakapanlamig. Sobrang lamig. Para kang pumasok sa napakalaking freezer. Ano ba yung may whale? Hindi makakita, nagka-reflect.
There are a lot of them today though.
It's nice.
There are two more ways to know the solar light.
Hindi kaya hindi makita, sobrang liwanag, nagre-reflect yung ano, yung snow pag tinatamaan ng araw kayo. Ayan. So, sobrang liwanag, nagre-reflect yung liwanag, hindi kaya ng camera. Ayan. Two hot choco. Kapwa, hot choco coming, right? Hot chocolate?
Yes, hot chocolate. Only
Oh.
Kalua, right?
Oh, two hot chocolate.
Yeah, same guy, same guy. All good, all good.